Hey guys, how's everybody doing? For those of you that don't know, my house was wrecked uh, again by a tree. I made some progress. That 2x6 is split in half. That's not good. But I'm kind of stuck at this point. I'm not sure where to go from this point. I know I got to get a framing permit and I got to redo the framing and do a lot of repairs. Um, but I'm not sure where, how, who, what, when. Um, I'm just doing a video on this channel because the camera quality on my other channel is horrible. But we'll see. This is just kind of a test video. If this works out, I'll show you more. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Stay safe.